And now we are going to see the history of stethoscope. And we all know that stethoscope is used to find the sounds which are produced by heartbeats and lungs. The stethoscope is worked on the basic principle of acoustic and is used for the listening of internal sounds of a human body and also animals. It has typically a small disc-shaped resonator which is placed against our chest and two tubes connected to our earpieces. It is also used to listen the intestines and blood flow in arteries and veins. The word stethoscope is derived from the two Greek words which are stethos and scopos. Here stethos means chest and scopos means examination. Apart from listening to the heart and chest sounds, as I told you earlier, it is also used to hear bowel sounds and blood flow in noises on arteries and veins. Since mankind first began to study human physiology and the physical characteristics associated with various elements, it has been obvious that the heart plays a crucial role in our bodies, and sounds it makes as well as the sounds that produces other organs such as lungs can make it crucial indicators when examining a patient. The act of listening to these sounds is known as oscillation, and it has been refined using even more powerful tools to aid physicians in this crucial examination. And now we are going to see the most interesting topic, that is the invention of the stethoscope. It all started with a paper tube. Stethoscope was invented in France in 1816 by René Laennec at the Necker-Enfants Malades Hospital in Paris. It consists of a wooden tube and was a motor. Laennec invented the stethoscope because he was uncomfortable placing his ear on woman's chest to hear heart sounds. He observed that a rolled notebook placed between the patient's chest and his ear could amplify heart sounds without requiring any physical contact. Laennec's device was similar to the common ear trumpet, a historical form of hearing aid. Indeed, his invention was almost indistinguishable in structure and function from the trumpet, which was commonly called a microphone, and Laennec called his device as stethoscope. And in 1840s, Goldingberg described a stethoscope he had been using with a flexible tube. Bird was the first to publish a description of such a stethoscope, but he noted in his paper the prior existence of an earlier design, which he described as the snake ear trumpet. Bird's stethoscope had a single earpiece. And in 1851, Irish physician Arthur learned the invention of a binaural stethoscope, and in 1852, George Philip Kaman perfected the design of the stethoscope instrument for commercial production, which has become the standard ever since. And in early 1960s, David Littman, a Harvard Medical School professor, created a new stethoscope that was lighter than the previous model and has improved acoustics. And in the late 1970s, 3M Littman introduced the tunable diaphragm. In 1999, Richard Delaris patented the first external noise-reducing stethoscope, the DRG Pure Tone. It featured two parallel lumens containing two steel coils which dissipated infiltrating noises as inaudible heat energy. The steel coil insulation added of about 30 pounds to each stethoscope. And today, 3M Littman's stethoscopes are the diagnostics instruments that millions of medical professionals around the world uses, depending on the everyday uses. Clinicians and nowadays 3M Littman's stethoscopes are widely used. This is the brief history of invention of stethoscope. Guys, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel, share and comment.